header part, all these things I will show you in that session. Then try yourself. If you not if you facing any difficulty in that, message me in that WhatsApp as personally also. Okay, you can call me direct also. I will help you because some interns are call me directly, or some interns are like messaging me in the WhatsApp. So I will help you on that also. Say they are like solve the issue, all this issue, like he or she want to like designing all these things. They will ask you how can I designing that one or that one. So I will guide you all these things. But it's difficult to make a project like one, two, or three project in that session. So you know that our training session is 45 days, but we are left like 7 or 10 days. But we are still now not completed HTML. So I don't want to extend that HTML. So in this week, I want to finish the HTML. Then I go to the CSS. Then after, you don't have any doubt regarding how we can like make the website template and website structure, because more thing is that in the website is depending upon that CSS. So if you learn that HTML CSS, then you can make any website or any if you facing any problem regarding like position, if you want to set a picture in that particular position, then I will show you how can I set that particular image from the particular position in that CSS. I will show you all these things. But it's if I defining starting to ending in the project, it will be taking more time. So if our like session will be finished quickly, means it's in 30 days or 40 days, if it completed, then I will in the 5 days I will discuss with you some project regarding like shopping website or any other website we are designing, and I will show you. Okay. Okay. And someone asking me like in the coding part. Okay. uh, because you know that I will give you all the assignment, but some interns are doing well and some interns are not doing, because he or she don't know about that HTML CSS basic of HTML. She or he know that because I will teach you HTML also. Still now I'm not teaching you CSS. That's why he or she is facing difficulty. But don't worry about guys. Uh, if you are able to do that one as a assignment, then you can do that. If you unable to do that, means if you are facing a difficulty regarding CSS, all these things, no need to worry about that. I will when I will finish the CSS part, then I will show you one how can I make that all these things. Then if I give the coding part also, you may be confusing in that, because someone entering the margin bottom or border radius, all these things. So you may be confused in that. What is border radius? What is border? And what is margin left? All these things you may be confused that. So if I go to the one by one, then if you have to understand all these things, then after that, if you see the coding, all this like what are the coding we are doing or our interns are doing all these things, then you have to understand, because without you knowing that HTML CSS, it's difficult to understand. So that's why I'm not sending you, or I will not send you like someone interns coding part. It's difficult to understand. That's why. Okay. So don't worry about that. Whatever I discuss in that particular session, that will be I will send you in that classroom section, or like if you want to personally, I will send you all these things. Whatever I discuss in that, because whatever I discuss, you understand all these things. That's it easy to understand. But someone doing the project and you have to go through that, don't know about CSS and JavaScript. If you go there, it's like a what is that, if you don't know anything, if you go that one, it's like after a 5 minute 10 minute you will be sleeping in that bed also, because don't understand anything. It's a problem. Okay, that's why I'm not sending all this thing. Okay, so we are not spending all this time that talking with you. And I will start the session. We are discussing in that table, what is table and how can I make the table. Okay, one thing is that by using table before HTML4, in that HTML4 we are designing using the table, we are designing website. It's header part and border, footer part and main part, section part, we can design it. You know that if you designing any table, in that we have call span, it's like row span is there. So by dividing all these things we can make. Okay, so let's see how can I designing table. Then I will show you like how can I make a website using hash like table. Is a basic, but we are not using table still now because it will be some problem in that position or this thing, and like in the responsive designing it will be uh, having difficulty. So we are using flexbox and grid or like media query. We are using for responsive designing. So if you're doing for responsive designing for mobile device or iPad device or laptop device, then you have to use flexbox and grid and like media query. If you don't want to only you have to designing for laptop, you can buy like only using that table. Okay, so let's see. I will share my screen at first, then I will start the session. Yeah, I hope you clearly see my screen. If you're facing any difficulty regarding network problem, please set up that one. If you are not facing see my screen, so please let me know chat box so I will set my network connection, all these things. Can you see my screen? Can you my voice is audible, guys? Please let me know chat box so I will start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So table in HTML. Table are used for organize the data in the row and column. What is row and column? You know that all these things. So whatever data we have, we get organized by the row and column. This is like table. So table uses HTML use table to present content in row and column format. Okay. So if I go to that any of that particular like website, then you have to search for that like your roll number. You have to search a name. Then you have to like get a result, whatever like plus intermediate result or like for 10th result and like plus result, whatever you have. So it will be defining in that column and row. So whatever data you have, like you gave you like you got a mark from that mathematics and physics and like English, all these things, it will be defined in the column. So it will be organized by the data. So you have to, if you go to that particular sheet, after seeing the data, you have to understand it's my mathematical mark, it's my physics mark, it's my English mark, all these things you understand because it is organized manner. If I like written in that paragraph form, if you cannot be understand because it's taking time to understand because what is the English mark, what is the physics mark, and what is the chemistry mark, all these things may or may not be you understand. So that's a problem. Yeah, we are using table. So what is, I already discussed with you table, but maybe in the network issue, previous section is disturbed. Okay. So we are using table for table designing for table in HTML. So T head for heading purpose, it's header part, and T body. T body means table body, and we have T foot is there, but we are not using in that session. It's T foot. If you need, you can use that one. We have header part, th, table head, table body, and table footer. Okay. So in that we are discussing in that header part. So I need in like what is that? A student mark sheet. I will designing a student mark sheet. Then I will show you how can I designing that one. Student mark sheet. Okay. This is the TR. What is TR? TR means table row. In that we need table head. Okay. So we are using for table header purpose, we are using th inside the table row. I will for that one. After that, I will test th. In that, I will test the student mark sheet. Okay. Then I will designing like what is that? It's a subject and like what is that? Percentage, all these things. I will designing in that T body. Okay. If I need like student, it's heading part. In that I need, wait, I will designing another row. Inside I will design tr In that we have th. Okay, th inside I need what is that? Student, students, and the next one I require th. It's like mark. Okay, mark. So in that I have to design. Have you observed that here means table row? In that we have th. Th means table head. Okay. So after that, in the data, we in the table body, we're designing the data. What is data? Means what are the student name are there, and he or she score is like 70% or 80%, whatever we are designing according to that. So TR, in that we need table data, TD. Okay, TD for table data. So we are designing table data. Student name is like Johan. In that we have required table data. And what is the mark of Johan? It's like person is 78%. Okay, and I will copy that one, test 2 or 3 times. Then I will show you that. I will change that mark and as well as name also. Okay, it's like what is name is Karan, 80%. Okay, and next one is like is that Shikal, like 60%. And next one we have Upali. Okay, Upali, it's like 86%. Okay, and Upali, it's like R is capital and S is also need capital first letter. I need K is also capital. And Dohan, I already done that, I think. Not okay. So I will open that one in the live server. Then we see how we are designing and what are the change we require per table, because we need call span or row span, whatever we need we have to give inside that. So let's see how it designing, then we have to discuss. It's opening, wait 2 minutes. In that we require table width and height. Width 100% and border required 100%, border 1. Okay. Any of the content, if you want like alignment center or left right, whatever you need, you have to designing inside the t body and like tr. Inside that you have to give alignment, and if you need like top bottom center whatever you have to give. Okay, if you need like table row height require and table data height require, then you have to give also. Okay. Wait, I will remove that. Next part is welcome, I think is there. I will remove that part. So I will, yeah, it's done. So have you observed that one? It's 100%. If I give like 70%, whatever I need, so according to that, it will be designing. If I need 70%, let's see, 70%, then it will be in that 70%. So have you observed that one? Its student marks it as like the first row. sorry, it's fast column. Row means it's like this one is the row. Okay, this one is like Hare, it's like Johan and 78%. This one is row, and column is student marks and student and Johan, Karan, Rita, all these things like column. But have you observed that it's fast like student marks it in that fast column? So I don't need like I want like the student marks it content will be in that place in that center. It will be like so in that middle of that two column. So I need Colspan 2 for dividing that column. So let's see how can I design that one. So inside that I think you give that one, not inside. Okay, you have to write as the th Colspan 2 means column will be divided in two parts. Have you observed that one? It's like in that uh, center of the two column. Okay, if you require like left, right, and all these things, you can do that by using alignment. Okay, so I need like student will be divided into two parts, just like graduate and like college and like school student. So at the time, I need, let's see, it will be divided into two parts. This row span, I need row span is two, but I will still now not giving any data inside that. Okay, so after that I will give the data inside that. Wait, if I give that one, it's th school SC, sorry, school and college th. Wait, I will check that one. School college, yeah, in the row. I think if I give that one inside that school college, but I did student will be divided in two parts. Wait, I think I require inside that I will give in tr inside. If I written school college, school and college also. Have you observed that one? It's in that like student will be divided into two row. According to that, you have to choose. And how that college we have to see like all these things we can designing. So it need to be like student and mark. All these things we have divided into like college. We have to divide into two part like column part or like whatever we need. Let's see. If I designing like Colspan inside that Colspan 2, let's see how it's happening in that. It's not. If I give that one also Colspan inside, let's see. It's not happening. So I will make that one. So yeah, wait. I will show you that. Like mark, I think. In that I require Colspan 2. Have you observed that one? I will give one in that mark. That's why it will be divided into two column. Okay. This is the school and college. Okay. In that we have to give all these things according to your requirement and according to your project. Okay, I hope you understand how we are designing curve span and like row span in that table, and what is th and what is t head and t footer. Any doubt regarding that you can ask me. Then you have to go to the how we are designing like header part and footer part, all these things in that web designing or webpages in the previous like HTML4. Let's see. I will show you that one also. You have to understand not need to be worry about that. You have to give 100%. And if you require like border, not require border, you have to remove the border. Okay, inside that I need a like a picture. Inside that is a table row, so I will remove that one. Inside I will give the picture. It's read img src, it's dotted class, it's like pic. Inside I have many pictures. That graph zoom alpha, yeah, I will give alpha as that. Have you of that one? It's in that format. So if I require like width, it's like what is the width of that? It's like height and width according to you can height. It's like require I think 100 pixel. Let's see, height is 100 pixel. Have you observed that one? So if I require like height 100%, height is like 300 pixel, and like I require width 100%. Let's see. Okay, designing according to that. It's my header part. Okay, then I have to designing like navigation part. Okay, so in that I require remove that two part, and I have designing navigation inside that nav, and inside we have designing UL. It's on order list, and you can give OL also inside that. No need to like using always UL. Inside I require home, and inside after that li you require any contact, and other one like register login, whatever you need you have to give that one. Wait, login done, and we have a register done. Let's see, it's in that like block format, but I need like in that the home contact and login register will be in that navigation part. Okay, like left to right, and I will set all these things in that the right part. According to that I need to be use CSS. Okay, let's see, I will designing in that. You will wait, you will like display flex. Wait, display it's flex. Let's see, if you observe that one, it's in that like left to right format, but I need that remove all the what is that, it's round is the icon. So at the time I need, what is that, it's like release style type none. Release style type none means no need to apply all these things. Okay, so at the time I need margin. Let's see, margin bottom, sorry, margin left like 500 pixel. Okay, and like every li I need margin right, margin right, it's like 30 pixel. Whatever according to your requirement you have to give. Okay, done. In the middle, but I need more margin left, so you have to give 800 pixel in that move. Okay, and after that I need a source box. So if you need source box after that register, then you have to designing the source box like after that register, like navigation. If I need a link in that home contact and the register, then you have to give inside that. It's like anchor text. I already designing already. I will show you once again. href. Again, inside you have to give link, whatever link or like a path you have to give that. Okay, done. It's done. But I need the color and like all these things I need. So I will show you that one also. Don't worry. It's need to be like what is the color required. We have what is the color? Yeah, background color. It's require any color like aqua. Okay, let's see. it's aqua, but I need like whole part will be in that aqua color. So it will be applied in that part one, like in that home, contact and padding register. If you need like apply in that format, you can by using padding. Okay, like padding, I need padding. You have to use padding like 20 pixel or 50 pixel, whatever you need. According to that, you have to give. Have you observed that one? It's padding. Okay. So if I need like whole part, it's like starting from left right. Then you are using tr. Inside you have to return style, and inside background color you have to give aqua. Not change. Okay, not a worry about that. Inside that we have navigation, and if navigation is not working still, so you can use any div inside that. So after the div, in that you can use. It's working fine. Okay, okay. If you need like all the alike like content, it's home, contact and login register will be in that white color or dark like any other color, so you can apply in that color, color color. Okay, then, and according to the requirement you have to brown. I will designing the brown color. So have you observed that it's brown color, but it still not be brown color. So you have to, or you need to be like remove for the underline in that below section, like text, text decoration none. You have to give that one. I will show you in that CSS section, but no need to worry about that. I will show you how we are designing like by using table. We are designing like header part and like navigation part or like main part, whatever I need. Okay. Okay, next we have to, if I designing like after that I need some content inside below of that navigation. Then I have to remove all these things. Okay, uh, I will not no require like tr tag. I will return the t body. Inside the t body I require. So I remove all this content from that table. Then I will copy the content from the notepad. Then I will paste to you. Okay, I will show you that one. Wait. Okay, it's done. Any doubt? I will once I will check that one. Yeah, no doubt. Yes, sir. Same thing. Okay, no doubt. I think. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Next, we have to give that tr inside that table row. Okay. Inside the table row, we need table data. Okay. Table data. So inside the table data, we need some content inside that. So open the like whatever content you have to require for the website, then you have to enter. Okay, if you designing any demo website, then you have to copy any of that particular like content. No need to worry about that. If you're designing a demo or like dummy website, then you have to use. Okay, if you're designing any live project, then you have to whatever like content required for that project, then you have to return inside that. Okay, I will copy from the notepad because it's taking time to written all these things. Now I'll paste inside that. So let's see. Have you observed that one? It's like in that format. Okay. So if you require in the left side and right side, then you have to design in call span, and if you require in that road side, according to that you have to give like what is that? It's like row span and column sum. But I have you observed that means I've written in that tr inside I have to return t d. If I require inside like call span, then I have to divide like call span 2 or call span 3 or call span whatever I need. It's 5 or like 10, whatever. I want to divide the column. Then you have to set according to that. Okay. At the last time, you are using tfoot. Inside that, whatever content you need, like any contact information is like address and like whatever your like management all these things you have to mention in that like footer part. then you have to mention by using TR, TD, all these things you can use that. I hope you understand how we are designing in the HTML4 by using a website or web page in that using table. Any doubt regarding that you can ask me. Any doubt guys, please. Excuse me, sir. After the class, can you please share the code? Yeah, Sonali. I will share the code all these things. Okay, and I will give the assignment also. Don't worry about that. And you have to designing a table. Okay. And any other doubt, guys? Okay. I hope you are clear in that. Okay. So if you require any in the table, if you require any background color or background image, then you have to by using HTML, you can do that also. Okay. How? Let's. Okay. I will do one thing. I'll copy that one and I'll paste after that. Okay. It's done. Okay. I will design a table again. I will then I will show you because it's like we are designing page now. So that if I apply any picture, it's difficult to like tag that. So I'm designing other table. Wait 2 minutes. I will designing suddenly table. It's inside t hat, and we have required like tr inside tr tr inside we have th. It's like student mark sheet. TUD student mark sheet. Okay, and in that we need call span. Wait, call span 2, and in that I need it's like tr again, tr. Okay, in that tr we need th. In the th we require student, and next th is like mark, what's percentage, whatever you need. Wait, th like mark. Okay, done. Next we have to design a t body. Okay. Inside the T body, we need like table data. So table row, in that we have table data 3D. I will Johan or like Swapna. 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 Okay, then next it's like create TD required. In that we have to paste the percentage. I will copy that one. I paste. I will show you how we can apply the like what is that? It's background color and background picture inside that. Before that, I need like width, width 100%, 100%, weight, and it's border. Then let's say it's working fine. Yeah, it's working fine. Then we have to give background color and BG color. Let's see. Inside that, we require BG. F-log on. That's why it's BG. It's background color. Background. Yes. Okay. GROUN background color. Yeah. Background. Okay. Then next we have to slash stick. Inside we have other color. It's this 11 dot jpg. But it's applying, but like width are like are not compatible. Okay, that's why it's showing this one. Wait, I will send in that CSS. It may be so that one. Wait, stable. In that we require like background image URL inside. If I copy that one and I'll paste inside that later. By using background, using HTML, you can do that. But like in that picture will be not set according to the requirement. It's like according like its position and that like repetition, whatever you need. According to that, it's not set. So by using CSS, we can do that. Background position is there. Repeat. Okay, visibility, all these things there. Background clean, background size, whatever. Container cover. Before that, it's like white color not showing that table, but it's show. If the you're like what is that? Uh, Table will be the height it's larger, then it will be so. I will copy that one again. I'll paste again, so you have to understand right how it's look. So according to the size, you have to cut that picture, crop the picture, and then you have to use inside the table. Okay, it's true in that format. If you paste again, then it will be show. Okay, it's done. So according to your requirement, you have to give all these things. Okay. So any doubt regarding all these things, you can ask me. And we have cell spacing. Cell padding is there. Cell spacing means if you require in between the cell any space, so by using the cell spacing, we can designing that one. And cell padding means in that particular cell you need like padding 10 pixel and like margin padding like left padding, right padding, padding left, padding right, padding bottom, padding top. You can apply in that CSS also. But if you designing a table, in that if you require any like spacing, so in that format you can use cell spacing. And if you require like padding, in that you can use cell padding. Okay. Any doubt, guys? Please ask. The chat box as well. Unmute yourself and doubt. Ask me. No doubt, guys. Okay. So, if you read newspaper, in that session, we have like a picture, big picture, and in that below we have column divided by like two or more column. That format, you have to designing a website or uh, you have to designing a newspaper, and I will give you a table, and you have to practice that one. Okay. If you facing any difficulty regarding that, please let me know personally. You can message me personally, because I will give you a like critical uh, table. In that we have many column, many row. Inside we are dividing column and col span and row span, and we have applying cell spacing, all these things. Okay, I will show you how it's. Then you have to design. Wait, I will give you. Then we have to discuss, after the table we are discussing image. We have many file format like JPG, PNG, a PDF, all this file format is also there. Okay. After the table, we have to discuss image. So I will give you like a assignment, then you have to submit the assignment because table is required. Anyone can ask in the interview like how can I design a table, how can I give that call span and row span. That's why it's difficult. Not difficult, if you practice that one, it's not a difficult task because in that like in the beginner are confusing. I am also confusing in the beginner when I practice that one. It's like how can I design like call span and row span. I will difficult in that. That's why if you facing difficulty, so let me know. I will give you. Wait. So in that we have a table. Inside the table, we need wait. Inside the table, we need head section. This one and next one we have to designing. This one is the body section. Whatever content you need, you have to give. Okay. I will give you the some content inside that. According to your requirement, you have to choose that. Okay. It's the first name and last name is there. It's name, address, whatever you have to give in that format. Done. So next we have in that heavy of that one inside that we have spacing is there in that first column and second column. The second column and third column we have spacing in between that. So these are the cell spacing. So by using the cell spacing, you can do that. Okay. And if you like require the content will be so in that middle part inside the TD or TS, you can use alignment, center or left, right, bottom, whatever you need. Okay. So next we this first row will be divided into two part. It's like first name and we have last name. Okay. Inside like third this third one will divided into three part. You have to designing the assignment, then you have to ask the doubt. In that section, previously you have no need to like ask any doubt because it's not a difficult task. You have to. I will send you the code in the classroom. Then you have to go through that. If you facing any doubt regarding the coding part, then you will let me know in the chat, like personally. And after that, you have to try yourself in that assignment. If you facing any difficulty, that's time you have to message me. Okay. And in that we have it's like sales space is like different from that one like cell to other cell, but you have to designing according to that because I will it in that paint, so it's difficult to hit in that. Okay. Wait, still done. It's done. Okay. It is like first row, second row, and third row. Wait, it's like first row. It will be in that head section, and we have, and like we have body section in that second row. Okay, we have to design that one also. Well, this one is the body section. Okay, done. Next one we have footer, and if you can change the content also. No need to like exact content. I don't need that one. According to your requirement, you have to choose footer. Quote here footer section. Done. Okay. So in that we require like at the copyright 2021. Okay. And in that we have name, student name, dot name, save that name. Okay. Done. Next we have second column will be in that address. Address. Okay, done. Next one we have name will be divided into two column. It's like first name and last name. First name, it is the size of that at first. Okay, done. If I change that 40, it's not a issue. Okay. Then I will give you that one. It's like last name. Okay. Next one we have like address part. We have city, state, and pin code. City, state, and pin code. This one is the city, and next one we have state, state, and we have a pin or postal code. Postal. If you enter in that format, you can. Okay, done. Then you have to your first name and last name. According to that, you can divide the like city part and the state part and postal code, and then below of that, what is that? It's column. Okay. If you don't want that one exactly, you have to return inside that whatever city and what is the floor number and what is your uh, building name and like street name and state postal code. If you want to write inside that one cell, you can. If you want to divide it that one according to your requirement, you have to. Okay. So in that body section, we have require any of the content. I will return that main part, main section. Okay. I hope you designing all these things. If you, I hope you not facing a difficulty in that, because I already told you like if you head section will be divided into two row. It's row span two. If you divide that one, name will be divided into two column. According to that, you have to design. Any doubt, guys, in that session? Whatever we are teaching you in that session, and doubt regarding, you can ask me. And regarding assignment, I hope you all doing well in that. Can you hear me, guys? Antima Revapati and like Pratyusha and Kavita. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vijay, can you hear me? Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, any doubt, guys? In the like in the session, a table session, we have low row span, call span, and like cell spacing, padding, all these things.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, great. In the chat box, give your as like attendance. Then you have to, if no doubt, you can enter. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thanks for your patience and thanks for attending at the classes also.